In front of me is VIVO Y35 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this Vivo. First of all, go into settings. Then tap on display and brightness, scroll down just a bit and select font style. Now select one of those fonts by tapping on the chosen one and tap on apply. As you can see, after that, style of mine has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, tap on display and brightness, font style and click on download more instead. Then download the best font for you and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!